Another illuminating, but this one is liquid. And this is drops. Light reflecting drops. Ito na naman yung asawa. Gulo na. Po! Okay, okay. Diba? Kakainis. Hi guys, it's me again, Hesper. Welcome back to my channel at loveliehesper. Ayan, so I'm back for makeup tutorial because I'm really excited to share to you my giveaway prizes that I got from L.A Colors Cosmetics. Ayan, thank you so much, L.A Colors Cosmetics. L.A Colors and then L.A Girls are sister companies. So just to make it clear to you guys, this is not a review video. For those who don't know yet, I'm part of PR list of L.A Girls. I'm overwhelming right now because yun nga, I'm part of PR list, and at the same time I receive giveaway prizes from L.A Colors, and hopefully maging PR list din nila ako soon. Charing. So ayan, so they sent me out this bunch of makeup. Oh, diba? There is contour palette. Ayan, so ayan siya. I wish there is a dark shade kasi nga syempre we can use for some reasons, you know, like for example, like me, I'm doing creative makeup look. Next, I'm going to show you the L.A Colors blush. Ito siya. Ang ganda rin ng color niya. Ang pretty ng kanyang shade. Two colors of pink, different pink shade. Yung isa, super light pink, and then the other one, rosy pink, ganyan. And then, nude na yung dalawang color. And then for the eyeshadow naman, this one. Ang ganda lang ng packaging niya, guys, kasi ayan nga siya, colorful. Pagka-holographic yung kanyang packaging. Yan, ang ganda. This is a nude palette. May black, dark brown, nude, and then may glitter. And then, ang napansin ko, super gaan niya. As in, parang wala lang. Alam mo yun, parang sa usual na palette na mabigat kasi may bakal, ganyan, and may salamin, that's why mabigat. Pero ito kasi walang mirror, kaya super gaan niya. And yung weight niya is, net weight niya is 0.32 ounce or 9 grams. That's why. Para siyang karton lang. Alam mo yung parang papel lang, ganun. Pero which is okay sa akin. Okay sa akin yung ganun feeling. Kasi ang advantage niya kasi is when you go travel and then you want to bring makeup, 'di ba? Ang niya, ang friendly niya sa bagahe mo, sa bitbit mo, hindi mo mararamdaman na mabigat. And then next, this L.A Colors strobing. You can see sa aking highlights. Ayan, oh, 'di ba? May pagka-blinding siya. At ito ba ang kinatuwa ko dito? I don't know na may ganito pala siyang effect. Ayan, teka lang. Ayun. Meron siyang mirror, and then there is sponge. 'Di ba? Another illuminating, but this one is liquid, and this is drops. Okay, so ito siya. Let's open it. Ayan siya. Bronze yung niya, shade niya, guys. So I'll show you the swatching later after this video clip, or after I show you this makeup. Is this L.A Color High Shine with shea butter and lip gloss. Ayan siya. So ayan siya, guys. And hindi siya malagkit sa bibig na alam mo yon. And then next is this L.A Color lip oil. This is perfect for you if your lips is dry like me. Ayan. And don't worry kasi yung pagka-oil niya, sakto lang naman, hindi siya yung totally super oily na pag nilagay tas malagkit. No. And then okay naman yung feeling. Parang na-moisturize talaga yung aking lips. L.A Colors chrome liquid eyeliner. Super ganda nito. Super ganda niyan. Look at that. Nagustuhan ko siya, in fairness. And I wanted to buy more other colors of this. And then, lastly, is the L.A Colors brush. And this brush is multi-brush. I have top 3 favorites. Itong tatlo. Itong dalawang highlighter and then this chrome. Diba? So, what do you think? But for me, above all, okay siya. So, comment down below and share your thoughts about this L.A Colors cosmetics, makeup, and then kung ano yung top 3 favorite makeup ninyo. Yeah, so if you wanna see on how I did to this smoky makeup look, guys, just keep watching. But please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, just give a thumbs up. Alright, so without any further ado, let's begin.